Today I will be showing you how to make chicken satay and peanut sauce. This dish is my love from my childhood. The reason I like it when I was children, because this dish is not too spicy, and you know, when we are as children, we don't really like to eat too spicy food. But this dish have all the flavor that you need. It has a sweet and sour and a little bit of spice, and also peanut butters in there. Originally we use the ground peanuts, but today I'm gonna have a little cheat. We're gonna use the peanut butter because it's easy to find, but guarantee it's gonna be delicious. So first thing, I'm gonna prepare the chicken, and that is a little trick. This is a chicken thigh. I love it because it's very nice and juicy. We're gonna try to take the bone out first. So you can do, just cut it off when you don't need it. Cut the bone out from the middle side. There you go, nice and quick. I keep the skin because I think the skin is the most tasty bit, but you can take it out if you don't like it. Then I'm gonna just cut it into probably a square inches, like that. Quick minced garlic. I have the little tool that I can do. So in here we will have a little bit of ground cumin, turmeric, a bit of curry powder, and a little bit of ground coriander, and a tiny bit of lemon juice. Now you can find the recipe in the website. Garlic and a tiny bit of grated ginger. So you don't have to peel this because we want it to just have a flavor of fresh garlic. So just grate, use a grater. Go straight into the marinating bowl. That's it. And a tiny bit of soy sauce. And probably half a tablespoon of honey, just to give that sweetness. And we set this aside, let it marinate it. Now, next one, I'm gonna make the peanut butter sauce. So what we need to do is we're gonna need some peanut butter, very thick. We will be using our hand blender to make the sauce. The sauce is ideally, it has to be nice and smooth. Peanut butter, a bit of soy sauce, in lime juice, in a bit of honey, give a bit of sweetness into it. Garlic and chili powder. Now this one is totally your preference. If you like spicy, which is I like spicy, I'm gonna put quite a lot in it. That one there. And also another trick is, because it's going to be really thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of hot water, just to make it thinner and to make it easier to blend, and it's easier to dip with your chicken. So next one, I'm gonna skewer the chicken. A little trick for you is to soak the skewer, because we're gonna eat. This trick can work with barbecue, air fryer, even oven cook. This bamboo that's soaked into the water, it will release the water when we cooked it. That will make the chicken nice and moist. So we're gonna soak it for a bit, and we're gonna leave it on the side for probably 5 minutes. So I'm gonna skewer the chicken. So just grab the skewer and just start nice and thin. So, I mean, like nice and evenly spread out. You don't want it to be too clumps up together, because then it's very nice and easy to cook like that. Now I'm gonna put the chicken skewer in the air fryer. Make sure it's not too crowded. Probably I have 5 skewer at a time, but it's only take probably 12 to 15 minutes at, I would say, start with 180 degrees. Let's take the chicken out. That looks so good. So now this is the satay sauce that we made earlier. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Beautiful. Then I'm gonna do a bit of garnish. My food with a lot of color, so we're gonna do a little bit of coriander and there, and I'm gonna do a little bit chili, because you know, green and red, beautiful color. There. A bit of lime wedges for freshness. Sprinkle with that. Fun. Make everything nice and pretty. Ta-da! Now let's taste it. Bit of lime, and then simply just dip this into the sauce.